Are you tired of watching movies the boring way? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're gonna show you how to set up this really awesome projector. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at the Mars 2 Pro 500, the Nebula. This thing looks awesome. The Mars 2 Pro is just a really easy way to level up your viewing of movies and gaming and all that to the next level. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full test and unboxing of the product, so let's get that over to Brad. Hey Brad, open the box.
This is the Nebula HD Vivid Image Projector, the Mars 2 Pro Portable Cinema Projector. Let's get it out of the box. This is going to be awesome. I love projectors. Watch movies anywhere with projectors. Right on top, got some heavy duty foam. The projector itself wrapped up. Get the plastic off the Mars 2 here. Oh, that's a nice looking leather case. Got Nebula written on it. Looks very nice. What else we got in the box? We got this container. Is this all we got? Yep. We can get that box out of the way, can't we? Oh, can you believe I see something we don't normally get that it makes me excited? And that is batteries for the remote. That's awesome. Thank you. Then we have our power adapter. The adapter the power cable goes into. Our paperwork. And of course, this awesome looking projector. Let's get this film off. It fits in my hand. Very compact. Got a cover. That's nice, so you can protect your projecting lens. The strap is really nice looking. You got the branding there. The controls are right here on top. On the back, we have our DC in, our HDMI, USB, audio out, and the reset. I believe this little screen's where the IR picks up the remote. On the bottom, we can attach it to a tripod with the threading, or you can hang it from a ceiling mount. This is the Nebula Pro Mars 2. Everything you get in the box. So we're gonna get this out and watch some movies and see what it looks like. So let's get into that. This is everything you get right out of the box.
The Nebula Mars 2 Pro is awesome. This thing has a brighter is better mentality. The DLP IntelliBright technology projects a radiant 500 ANSI Lumen image at razor sharp 720p for breathtaking video clarity. It comes with cinematic sound. That's right, there's dual 10-watt audio drivers that work together to deliver a sensational sound and deep resonant bass for a truly immersive outdoor projector movie experience. Or just hook this thing up to surround sound and take this thing to the next level. That's right, watch movies at home, be lazy. Expand your entertainment by plug and play technology. You can hook up your favorite products via HDMI or use a USB 2.0 device. And because there's Android 7.1, you can watch YouTube, Netflix, and all your favorite apps right here on the projector. So you don't have to hook it up to anything. Nebula, this thing is awesome. Thank you guys so much for working with us and allowing us to share this awesome product with you guys. All the links are below if you're looking for any information on the Nebula 2, so please check out our sponsor links, and a huge shout out again to Nebula. Thank you guys so much. And how are you guys watching movies right now, or watching your favorite shows, and what are you watching? Let us know in the comments below, and if there's a bell, click it for notifications. I've been your host, Matthew. Thank you guys for watching Good Tech Cheap, and I'll see you in the next review. Later.